When you search for something on Google or Bing, do you think you're seeing the whole internet? Most people do. But in reality, you're only scratching the surface, literally. Standard search engines only index about 4 to 5% of the total World Wide Web. The remaining 95%, that is what we call the deep web. Today, we're going to demystify what the deep web actually is, why it's essential for your privacy, and why, despite its mysterious name, you've probably already visited it several times today. To understand this, cybersecurity experts use the iceberg model. At the very top, above the water, is the surface web. This includes everything indexed by search engines, like Wikipedia, news sites, or public blogs. But just below the waterline lies the massive bulk of the iceberg, the deep web. This isn't hidden because it's evil or illegal. It's hidden because it's private. It consists of data that search engine crawlers can't reach because it's locked behind passwords, encryption, or firewalls. And way down at the bottom tip, that's the dark web, a tiny, intentional subset of the deep web that requires special software like Tor to access. But today, our focus is on that massive middle layer. So, why can't Google find this stuff? There are 3 main technical reasons. First is authentication. If a page requires a username and password, like your Gmail inbox or your bank account, a search engine bot can't get in. Second is dynamic content. Some pages only exist when you type a specific query into a database, like searching for a specific book in a library's digital catalog. And third, paywalls and private scripts. Content behind a subscription, think Netflix or academic journals, stays in the deep web to protect intellectual property. Essentially, the deep web is the vault of the internet. If everything were on the surface web, your private emails would show up in a public Google search. Imagine how dangerous that would be. Let's look at some everyday examples. When you log into Workday to check your payslip, you are in the deep web. When you access Canvas or Blackboard for your university assignments, you are in the deep web. Even your iCloud backups, private Slack messages, and medical records live here. In the world of cybersecurity, the deep web is the backbone of our digital lives. It's where sensitive, proprietary, and personal information is stored securely away from the public eye. From a cybersecurity standpoint, the deep web is all about the CIA triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Our job is to ensure the walls protecting the deep web stay strong. This is why Identity and Access Management, or IAM, is so critical. Since the deep web is reachable if you have the right URL or credentials, the login screen is the only thing standing between a hacker and your data. This is also why multi-factor authentication is non-negotiable. If a hacker gets your password, the deep web's secrecy vanishes instantly. We also monitor for data leaks, ensuring that sensitive deep web files don't accidentally slip onto the surface web due to a misconfigured server. In summary, the deep web isn't a dark corner of the internet for hackers. It's the private infrastructure that keeps our modern world running. It's where your data stays your data. Understanding the difference between the surface, deep, and dark web is the first step in becoming digitally literate in the 21st century. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of cybersecurity. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.